Are you tired of fumbling through Salesforce in a language you don't speak? Change it to your language in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact settings path. Just follow these 9 simple steps. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner to open Quick Settings. Then click Open Advanced Setup. This will redirect you to a new window. In the Quick Find box, type Company to filter the setup options. Now click on Company Information from the results. Click the Edit button to modify the company settings. Scroll down to the Locale Settings section. In the Default Language dropdown, select your desired language. For this tutorial, we'll choose Spanish. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.